I Ranjan Tiwari. Today I am going to teach you first flight for class 10th, second chapter, second chapter, Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. This chapter is very important for you. This extra is taken from Mandela's autobiography Long Walk to Freedom. In this chapter, Nelson Mandela described about the important moment of the inauguration ceremony at Union Building Amphitheatre in Victoria. That this day is very important for South Africa. On that day, South Africa inaugurated his freedom ceremony. On that day, a lot of international guests, millions of people gathered in amphitheater in Victoria. In that time, Nelson Mandela addressed his nation, addressed people, millions of people of the world. That this moment is really an exciting moment for the people of the world. Nelson Mandela's victory is a very important victory for the South Africa. The apartheid system is a political system that separates people according to their races, is totally demolished in this freedom struggle. Or a new sun arises in the sky of South Africa. So we find in this chapter the emotional or the victorious achievement of Nelson Mandela. After his oath, he addressed the people. He describes his feelings about this struggle. In previous classes, I have taught you about the ceremony, about the apartheid system, about the every system of South Africa, and how the people of the world, the people of South Africa, gathered in amphitheater in Victoria, at amphitheater in Victoria. Today I continue my lecture. A few moments later, we all lifted our eyes in awe as a spectacular array of South African jets, helicopters and troop carriers roared in perfect formation over the Union buildings. It was not only a display of pinpoint precision of military force, but a demonstration of the military's loyalty to democracy, to a new government that had been freely and fairly elected. Only moment before, the highest generals of the South African Defense Force and police, their chests bedecked with ribbons and medals from days gone by, saluted me and pledged her loyalty. I was not unmindful of the fact that not so many years before they would have saluted but arrested me. Finally, a chevrons of Impala jets left a smoke trail of the black, red, green, blue, and gold of the new South African flag. In these lines, Nelson Mandela described about the moment, about the important moment when the South African jets, helicopters, and troops carriers roared in perfect formation over the Union building. And the people who gathered there, who, who lifted their eyes in awful. But the scenery is not a symbol of horror, but this scenery is saluted South Africa's democratic government. It was not only a display of pinpoint precision of military force, but a demonstration of the military loyalty to democracy. यानी प्रजातंत्र के प्रति फौज का एक लॉयल्टी को शो करने के लिए शो किया जा रहा था ऑफ अ न्यू गवर्नमेंट दैट हैड बीन फ्रीली एंड रेली इलेक्टेड। वहां के जो नई सरकार है जो स्वतंत्र रूप से और स्वच्छ रूप से चुनी गई थी। ओनली मोमेंट्स बिफोर द हाईएस्ट जनरल ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीकन डिफेंस फोर्स and police their chest batons with ribbons and medals from days gone by, saluted me and pleases her loyalty. नेल्सन मंडेला इस क्षण को याद करके बहुत ही भावुक हो जाते हैं, इमोशनल हो जाते हैं, जब उनके सामने साउथ अफ्रीकन डिफेंस फोर्स और पुलिस पहले के सरकार द्वारा जो उनकी छाती पे रिबॉन सजाए गए थे, मेडल सजाए गए थे, उसको लगाए हुए इनके पास आकर के सैल्यूट करते हैं। आई वॉज नॉट अनमाइंडफुल ऑफ दैट फैक्ट, ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट नॉट सो मेनी ईयर्स बिफोर दे वुड नॉट हैव सैल्यूटेड बट अरेस्टेड मी। वो कहते हैं कि मुझे वो क्षण याद है जब ये मुझे सैल्यूट नहीं करते थे बल्कि मुझे अरेस्ट करने आते थे। फाइनली ए chevrons of Impala jets left a smoke trail of the black, red, green, blue and gold of a new South African. At the last moment, a jet plane Impala left a smoke trail of South African's flag's color, black, red, green, blue, and gold. The day was symbolized for me by the playing of our national anthems and the vision of white singing Nkosi Sikelel, Africa, and black singing Die Stem, the old anthem of the Republic. Although that they neither group knew the lyrics of the anthem they once despised, they would soon know the words by heart. उसके तुरंत बाद वहां के राष्ट्रगान गाए गए जो टू नेशनल एंथेम्स and the vision of whites singing Nkosi Sikelel Africa and blacks singing Die Stem, but they are unaware about the tuning of that, the music of national anthem. But Nelson Mandela hoped they very soon they all know the words by heart. So in this section you find the emotional description of Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela describes about the moment of about that great moment. So you go through the book and you find how Nelson Mandela describes his feelings. Thank you. Next class, I continue my lecture.